Welcome back to another video from Lord Gizmo. Today we'll be looking at some mighty machines and covering what they do. If you enjoy this type of content, make sure to like the video and subscribe to see more like it. TUNGALOY is one of the world's leading manufacturers of carbide cutting tools, friction materials, wear-resistant items, and civil engineering products. The company has developed a variety of Swiss machines for cutting, turning, threading, boring, milling, drilling, and hole finishing operations. Machining with minimum overhangs lowers vibration and aids in regulating the component's dimensional and geometrical precision. The tools only move in the direction of cut depth. The feed is caused by the piece being moved firmly with a sliding cullet. Some components are machined using sliding head machines in order to reach production volumes at the lowest possible cost, but others need high precision and multitasking operations. CAM programming enables these machines to do complicated component machining. TUNGALOY provides a variety of precision cutting tools for all metal cutting operations. FHBS is a Chinese company that specializes in laser cutting technology. We all have seen lasers before. This time, the high-intensity beam that is created is directed toward a metal bed for cutting. As a consequence, the metal area's atomic bonding is broken apart. Additionally, oxygen is introduced to generate extra energy in the form of heat, which aids in the cutting process and results in dazzling sparks. A computer controls the laser head. These laser cutting devices need a lot of power, but cut with great accuracy and can deal with a number of different metallic elements. Bevel or angle cutting of edges is also feasible with these laser cutters. WOOD-MIZER Europe is known for producing innovative processing products. The LT40 sawmill is one of these products. It is capable of cutting logs up to 90 centimeters in diameter and 5 to 8.6 meters long. The electronic setworks enables operators to select the board thickness required. For each cut, the head height adjusts automatically. The adjustable power feed provides forward and backward movement. A water tank delivers lubricant to the blade, improving cutting performance and keeping the blade clean. While cutting diverse materials, the electric blade guide arm maintains the blade support. Blade tension is simply adjustable and maintains the blade at the optimum cutting tension. KOENIG is an Austrian company that produces innovative and customized solutions for bakers. The company has designed Mini-Rex, which is a multi-divider and rounder. It is characterized by a high range of weights and offers the ideal alternative to the conventional automatic plate rounder. In-feed rollers and star cutters have been installed for pre-portioning the dough. It uses an oscillating rounding plate, and eccentricity is changeable via the touch panel. Quick access buttons have been placed to control the machine's parameters and speed. SPIRO International is a world leader in manufacturing machines for round ducting and fittings in sheet metals. The company has developed the Gore Locker for producing round duct elbows, reducers, end caps, and offsets. It consists of 2 workstations. The flagging station enables the operator to create a round molded ridge around the workpiece corners, which allows the workpiece to fit into another part. The seam station then delivers an airtight seal, eliminating the need for sealing. The machine can handle a variety of materials and thicknesses to produce standing rib diameters from 4 inches to 60 inches. Its pneumatic activated support rollers and a stronger closing station make it safer and easier for the operator to remove parts. ROTH Composite Machinery is a German company that designs high-tech machinery and assembly lines. One such semi-automatic machine is the UBFA-21E5. It is made for the production of technical and hygienic brushes. It features 2 heads driven by pneumatics that operate constantly. The drilling head generates holes in the brush base, while the filling head inserts the wire locks as a pair of bristles into each pore of the brush base. The machine produces sound within 75 decibels and takes very little space.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure you check out one of these 2 for more cool machinery. Feel free to like and subscribe, we always appreciate it. And with that, we'll see you next time.